नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. ॲप्लाइड सायन्समधल्या ॲप्लाइड केमिस्ट्रीच्या पहिल्या चॅप्टरचे MCQs आता आपण बघणार आहोत. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फेरस alloy आर दोज alloys which contain base metal as iron, that is means Fe is the base metal in ferrous alloy, while non-ferrous alloy do not contain iron as a main component. Second question is lime having maximum percentage of calcium oxide in it. It is known as fat lime. Then dash contain 60 to 70% of calcium oxide and 30 to 40% of magnesium oxide. It is dolomite lime. Name the type of steel used for making cutting tools. That is high carbon steel. It is used for making cutting tools. Name the type of steel used for making soft wires. Low carbon steel. It is used for making soft wires, ropes, etc. Name the type of steel used for making railroads. Medium carbon steel. It is used for making railroads. Then muffle furnace. It is used for what? It is used for research facilities in laboratories. Then chemical name of slag lime is calcium hydroxide. Then ingredient used as binder in concrete mixture is cement. It is used as binder in concrete mixture. Then from the following, which statement is correct for biocement? It is eco-friendly cement or eco-construction cement. In a blast furnace, the temperature range in zone of reduction is 300 to 800 degrees Celsius in the zone of reduction, while in the zone of heat absorption, temperature range is 800 to 1200 degrees Celsius, while in zone of fusion, temperature range is 1200 to 1500 degrees Celsius. The presence of tricalcium silicate in cement, it gives early strength to the cement. Name the refining method used for low melting point and volatile metals. It is a distillation. This process is used for the metals which are having low melting point or volatile in nature. Then next is on alloying gold and silver with copper, it increases what? It increases hardness of gold and silver because they are soft metals. 1% of carbon added to steel, it increases tensile strength, that means load carrying capacity of steel. Name the method of preparation of alloy in which a mixture of two or more powder metals are compressed at high temperature and pressure. That method is known as compression method. A good refractory should have low porosity. The percentage of carbon in high carbon steel is 0.6 to 1.5%, while percentage of carbon in medium carbon steel is 0.3 to 0.6%, while percentage of carbon in low carbon steel is 0.05 to 0.3%. Name the refining method used for blister copper. For blister copper, electro-refining is used for purification. Name the lime that has high percentage of clay in it. Eminently hydraulic lime has high percentage of clay. Name the lime. It is a similar question, but options are different. Name the lime that has high percentage of clay in it. In poor lime or lean lime, percentage of clay is higher. Now next question is the process of heating the ore strongly in absence of air, it is known as calcination. In absence, calcination, while in presence it is known as roasting. Tinman solder, it is an alloy of lead and tin. The sudden change in operating temperature in a refractory causes thermal spalling. Sudden change, it causes thermal spalling. Among the given ore, which ore is not ore of copper? Hematite, it is not ore of copper. Remaining three are the ores of copper. Hematite, it is ore of iron. Among the given ore, which is not a ore of iron, copper sulfide, it is, or pyrite, it is a ore of copper, and these three are the ores of iron. Name the furnace in which heating is done by blast of hot air. It is a blast furnace. On the basis of chemical composition, Refractories are classified as acidic, basic and neutral. Then next is the time required for setting dicalcium silicate. It is 28 days. Name the furnace which is 30 to 40 meter in height and is heated by hot air coming from the towers. It is blast furnace. Then next one is during the extraction of copper from copper pyrite, molten matte is obtained in which state? It is obtained in basumerization state. Then which physical process is used in extraction of copper from copper pyrite? Froth flotation process. It is used for extraction for all sulfide type of ore. Froth flotation process is used. Then which chemical process is used in extraction of iron from hematite ore? Roasting is used. Then which physical process is used for extraction of iron from its ore? Gravity separation and magnetic separation. These two physical processes are used for iron ore. Then among the following, which is the acidic refractory? Lime, it is acidic refractory. Then the chemical ingredient of cement which provide color to the cement, it is iron oxide. It gives gray color to the cement. Then the next question is, among the following, dash is not a neutral refractory, lime is not a neutral refractory, other three are the neutral refractory. Percentage of calcium oxide in fat lime is 95 to 98%. The effect of temperature on shape and size of refractory material is in contact remain stable at high temperature. Anode mud contain which element? Anode mud contain gold and silver. During electro refining of copper, the pure copper metal is obtained at cathode. During electro refining of copper, electrolyte contain 15% copper sulfate and 5 to 10% of H2SO4 solution. This is the electrolyte. Tensile strength is, what is tensile strength? It is the ability of metal to carry load without breaking. It is tensile strength. Hardness, it is, what is hardness? It is the ability to resist wear and abrasion and resist penetration. Machinability, that is ability to cut by using cutting tools. Ductility, that is an ability to stretch into thin wires. Among the following, which is neutral refractory? Chromite is a neutral refractory. The chemical formula of slag lime is calcium hydroxide. This is calcium hydroxide. This is the answer. Then the refractoriness of refractory material should be high. The refractories are the material which have the property to withstand at high temperature. Then next question is, name the method for preparation of alloy in which the metal are heated to their melting point and mixed well by stirring with graphite rod. It is fusion method or binary fusion method. Name the method for preparation of alloy in which metal powders are compressed in mold and heated to weld the particles. It is compression method. On alloying gold and silver with copper, it increases hardness of that metal. On alloying bismuth, lead, tin and cadmium, it decreases melting point. This is the answer C. It decreases melting point. Addition of 1% of carbon, it increases tensile strength by 10 times. Then an alloy having melting point below 400 degrees Celsius between two metal parts for joining purpose, it is known as soldering. While when an alloy is having melting point more than 400 degrees Celsius, it is known as brazing. Dash type of cement can be used for conservation of cultural heritage. It is biocement. The alloying element which increases tensile strength, it is carbon. Then identify the concentration of ore diagram. Diagram is given and that diagram is of magnetic separation. Similarly, concentration of, identify the process of concentration of sulfide ore, Froth flotation diagram is given. Then identify the process of concentration of hematite ore, gravity separation diagram is given. Then dash is not a purpose of making alloy. Increase the softness. Other three are the purposes of making alloy, but this is not purpose of making alloy, that is increase the softness. Name the refining method used for low melting point and volatile method. It is distillation, which is used for low melting point and volatile metals. Then among the following, which is the acidic refractory? Fire clay, it is acidic refractory. Among the following, which is basic refractory? Magnesite or magnesium oxide, it is basic refractory. The time required for setting of tricalcium silicate is 7 days. The time required for setting tricalcium aluminate, it is 1 day, while the time required for setting of tetracalcium aluminoferrite, it is 1 day. Naturally occurring substance from earth crust, it is known as mineral, while the mineral from which metal is extracted, it is known as ore. The impurities which are associated with ore, it is known as matrix or gangue particles. These are all questions from first chapter of applied chemistry, metal, alloy, cement and refractory material.